Yeah, so this will be a review video and a fairly brief one, but hopefully explanatory enough for those interested in it. This is a Bugani. Don't hold me to pronunciation there, but that's how I'm going to say it. Anyway, this is the Bugani M83 with upgraded speakers. Partly why I'm making this video is because I see the Bugani M83 version. However, I do not see the Bugani M83 with upgraded speakers model except by one other person who seems to just be hating on it. And really, I don't get it. It's not at all anything to be mad at. I mean, in fact, I'd actually go as far as to say to brag about this a little bit even. Okay, so right now I got the focus on the front, obviously. A brief tour of it. Give a little size comparison here, I guess. Next to your average size pillow. Yeah, I don't know, perhaps a weird comparison, but still. Over here we have the buttons. You have your power button, your play and your pause button, M, which I haven't explored yet, but I will do so in time, and if somebody comments, I'll answer what that's all about there. You have your Bluetooth button, your up and down buttons, and on the back you have your woofers, or your subwoofers actually. The front ones I believe are your drivers. Speaking of the front ones, not only do you have two, of course, a pair that is, but from what I've seen on Amazon, where I ordered this from, you also have tweeters as well. So it's actually two-way speakers in the front. Also, again, quick look at the back for the purpose of, you have right here, don't know if you can really see that, but there it is. Now you can definitely see it. Because, yeah, it's a rubber flap showing. Excuse my camera here. Let's see if I can get the focus. A headphone jack, a USB jack. You know, and unlike all others, I don't know how many others I should say, but unlike many at least, this actually uses a micro USB type C to charge with. And I know that according to the videos I've seen of the M83 regular version, let's call it, it does not use the type C. It uses the older type A charger. Also has, probably not visible on camera, but there it is up there. Yeah, it's not coming through on camera, but it's right there. An SD card slot for micro SD. The thing has really loud sound if that's what you're looking for. And it's also got pretty crisp and clean sound as well. Quick look at the bottom while I'm at it here, showing it all. It's got scuff-proof feet. It's not going to slip or slide. You got your serial number on it there. Don't need to show that up close. Handle with Bugani's name on top as well. As far as speakers go, I mean, if you're looking for a larger Bluetooth speaker, then I can't help but recommend this for the price, which, if I remember rightly, was regularly priced at $80, and I found it for only $50. Now, for its size here, again, try and show another size comparison here. There it is on my shelf below my lamp. Give an idea as to how big it is. again, for the purpose of trying to show the size. It is not a small speaker. It is measured between 14 and a half and 15 inches long. And it is very, very loud. It's not as big as what you'd say for a party speaker, if you will, but it actually makes for a good speaker at a party. It is loud enough for that. So for $50, I mean, the only real drawback is you're getting a brand that probably no one's ever heard of. I mean, who is Bugani? I mean, some Chinese company. I mean, so you accept that you're probably getting some weird Chinese company name that probably is otherwise unheard of. However, has produced at least one good product here. And from that, yeah, it's actually pretty cool looking if you ask me. I mean, that's just an opinion, but still, I mean, look at it. I mean, it's beefy. It's got those nice speakers in the back, the handle. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but it's my version of cool. And then again, a lot of speakers have that going for them, I suppose. It's also very clean and clear sounding, even at louder volumes, which really matters. I mean, who really cares too much about the look if it doesn't sound just as good? And this does sound as good as it looks. So, yeah. I no longer have the box for the thing, so I'm not gonna be able to show that. But for those who are wondering, but comes in a pretty standard box, if you will. Anyway, though, if you need a good Bluetooth speaker, this is it. I mean, this is, unless you're looking for something really small, this is pretty much what you want. I absolutely recommend this.